What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm Renee. This is the Grace Gang. Don't forget the subscribe button and hit the bell if you like what you see at the end of this video or during the video. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Just subscribe, okay? We're on the road to 1K. So today's video is a maintenance video. I have a nail appointment at 2:30, so right now we're going to head to Target because I need to restock on some hygiene products. If you know, you know, every month is like a restock month because it just runs out so fast. So we're going to run to Target. Of course, we're going to grab some Starbucks while we're in there. Maybe. I don't know. And I'm still trying to debate on whether or not I want to get acrylics. Let me show y'all what I was looking at. I was literally about to head out the door and I was like, let's go ahead and make a vlog because why not? So yeah, okay, so the first one is this one. Can y'all see it? Let me turn my brightness down. So the first one is this set, right? Cute, right? And then, well, that's just a picture, not that one either. Ugh, I have so many pictures in my phone. Okay, and then the next one is this one. I think these are really cute. Damn, I can't even see it. Anyways, they just short coffin nails. And I was like, oh, they're cute and they're like pink. Granted, it's not because I'm wearing pink pants because y'all can't see it, but I got on pink shorts. And that wasn't the inspiration. I was up last night looking at these pictures like, she got her nails done. So that's what we finna go do. Target and then nail salon. So let's go. Okay, so I got on my crackadillies. Y'all say hi to Sage. Ignore my trash. But I got a package on. We're going to be doing a wig review real soon. But anyways, I got on these pink shorts and a black t-shirt. And then, of course, you guys know I always got on my signature jewelry, my art necklace, my heart from my boyfriend that he gave me, and then my Capricorn. I got on these cute little 90s inspired earrings, cat eye glasses, and that's it in the stat, okay? So it's a big debate on whether or not I'm going to cut my hair. So y'all better enjoy while it's in this video because if I go to the barber shop and my barber is there, it's going. But yeah, out for the day. Oh, and of course I'm carrying around my medium size Telfeezy, okay? Always and forever. But yeah, let's hit the road. The best place in the world, Target. It's so nice in here. I need a cart. Starbucks is right over there. Starbucks it is. I wasn't recording when I grabbed my drink, but I got this and my cheese Danish. Oh my goodness, don't fall out. We're just gonna stick to it in that place.
Check up on it, got it, flown it, oh I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it.
Bro, vlogging in public is probably my least favorite thing to do. Just because people be watching you. And then you feel like the people on the cameras is watching you. But then it's like, fuck it. Like, I don't care. But then it's like, I do care. I don't know how to explain it. It's so packed in here. Alright, I think I got everything I need. Let's get out of here before I spend more than I have to. Bro, they don't even have no regular lines open. It's only self-checkout. Let's get out. We made it to the nail salon. I'm late by like a minute or whatever.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, you took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you balls, you can't even pay me enough to react. Waking up in the crib, sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party.
Alright, y'all, so we back home. I got the flash on so you guys can see better, but my toes and my nails came out really cute. Okay. I love it. I love it. I'm not complaining at all. I got my nails shorter than I normally get them just because my job, I do a lot of grabbing stuff at fast pace, so I didn't want to have a chance of breaking anything. She oiled my legs up. They mad oily. But yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into this Target haul really quickly just to show you guys what I got. Just, you know, because it's just a re-up of everything I already have. So let's just get straight into it. So first thing on the list is this Oral-B toothbrush. Clearly, speech problem. But it's an Oral-B toothbrush, 3D white power toothbrush. I bought one of these. I change my toothbrushes out very frequently just because I'm a weirdo like that. And that's just what I do. Next up, I got TheraBreath Dentist Formulated Fresh Breath Oral Rinse, so a mouthwash. And this is an invigorating icy mint. I have the other version of this that's in a pink bottle. I can't remember the name though. But I love this stuff. I swear by it. I recommend it. Try it out, sis. Try it out. Alright, so next we're going to get into this perfume I got from Target. It's called Mix Bar. It's a vanilla bourbon hair and body mist. I don't know if you guys can see that, if it shows up on camera or not. But this is what it looks like. Look, there you go. You can see it better. That's what it looks like. This stuff smells so good, okay? I was in the store and I was like, all right, I already got one perfume from them, so I might as well go and buy another one. So I went and found this, and I sprayed it at 11:30 in the morning, and by 5 o'clock in the evening, I could still smell it on my wrist. So I was like, all right, she's bomb. The main thing about this though, if you do decide to get it, just be aware that it is going to smell like alcohol when you first spray it. That is with any body mist, they always smell like alcohol. Why? I don't know, but I love this. Like, I kind of want to keep it in my purse, but my purse is already heavy, so we're not going to do that. Next is going to be these razors I got from Flamingo. I got them in pink. That's my favorite color, aside from purple. So it comes with one razor handle, 2 cartridges, and 1 shower holder, which I like because then I can hang it up on my shower and not have to worry about having it placed anywhere else that doesn't need to be placed. I haven't tried these before, so we're trying them out. I hope they're not bad. Oh, lie. I have tried these before, and I didn't really care for them too much. But we're trying it again because it looks like the outsiding is much smaller than it was before. So we'll see how that all works out. Alright, so I got these Method body washes. If you've watched any of my Target hauls, you know that these are my go-to girlies. Okay? I got them in the smell Berry Balance and Energy Boost. So Berry Balance has acai, mulberry, and goji berry in it. And then the Energy Boost has citrus, ginger, and sea buckthorn. if you want to feel like silk, I suggest you buy these. They make your skin feel so soft, and like it's just lathers so nicely. Like you don't even need a bunch to excuse me, to like get it to really do what it's supposed to do. So up next we got the Dr. Bronner's Baby Unscented Pure Castile Soap. I live by this. I had the lavender one. I'm not really a fan of the smell. Peppermint, it's cool. Citrus, all the other flavors I haven't really had, but like I feel like this one's the best one. And when it says unscented, it is 100% unscented. There is not an ounce of smell within this bottle, which is perfect for me because I don't want this to clash with the body wash I'm already using. So you want to be fresh and clean and feel fresh and clean after a long day, get you some Dr. Bronner, sis, because why not? It do what it do. So next I got an Equals Tools loofah. I need a new loofah. They didn't have one in pink, so I got one in purple. This is the exact same one I have now in the bathroom, just a new version because it's time to change the old one out because it's broken. Literally, that's what it was. So I just got some smells, like some candles. So I got this pink mimosa. Okay, you already know I had a pink mimosa candle before from Bath and Body Works, but I wasn't trying to spend Bath and Body Works money, so I went and got this one. Next thing is another candle. This one is lavender plus eucalyptus. So it's lavender, sandalwood, eucalyptus, and cinnamon leaf. This candle smells so good. It has a really soft smell. It's not nothing too crazy. This is what it looks like. But it's not anything too crazy. It's a very light smell. Next item, Febreze Game. Okay, this is like the best smell they have. It smells just like laundry detergent. But eliminate odors. I spray this everywhere. My bed sheets, Sage's stuff, my car, just in my room in general. I spray this stuff. I love Febreze. It's just the bomb diggity. Okay. So that's my mini haul for you guys for this maintenance vlog, and we are going to get into skincare. Okay guys, so it is another day because maintenance takes more than just one day. I give it up to the girls that can cram all their maintenance in one day, but I can't. I don't have the time. I do work a regular job and I have a weekend job, so yeah. But if you guys would like a more in-depth skincare routine, leave a comment down below. This definitely isn't going to be in-depth. I'm literally going to just steam my face, and then I'm going to apply some under eye patches maybe, and then do like my regular skin regimen. But if you guys want like in-depth like face wash, how I do it, what I do, all of that good stuff, you already know. But let's just get straight into the skincare. We're just gonna go ahead and start steaming our face.
Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory, yeah. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store. This isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack, and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they pulling out this night? I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig. She telling me Tay is the best. Pointed the nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you won't get stressed. Bring Drake to the hood. Real Drake. Even though I got a case, I'ma do what it take. And I never been embraced. And the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. When he tell the story, that's not how I went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Let me be dead and now they won't get it. Yeah. still beat it, my niggas still eat it. Like yo, they look like the partner eat it. Pillow talk with her, spilling the tea, and the shorty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. Yeah. I know that day at the crib,
Alright, so we are at the end of the video, and I just wanted to pop in and say thank you for watching this far. And if you have not subscribed, since I don't know what you're waiting for, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notifications whenever I post. Also, remember to always make time for your self-maintenance. It is so important and it is so beneficial because, like, everything is stressful and sometimes you need a break. But you guys already know what I'm about to say. Until next time, we out. Peace.